This is Jason with Chicago News, and we're here at the 2019 Chicago Auto Show. We're getting ready to give out our 2019 SUV and crossover of the year. We've got Miles Peterson from Volvo here with us. And we're awarding SUV crossover of the year to the XC40, which is their newest and smallest SUV. We found it to be really engaging, really modern, and kind of a fun and funky take. Volvo can be a little bit stodgy in their history, so it's nice to see something a little bit exciting come out from the product line. So, Miles, congratulations, and we have a couple questions. First of all, the test version that we got had some nice bold orange carpeting. Do you know anything about the decision, the process behind that? Who came up with the idea? Was there any kickback or pushback on that?
No pushback. I think that just came about during the normal evolution of the design of the car. We definitely wanted to make this car a little bit edgier, a little bit more for a youthful type of market. We're really focusing on conquesting new buyers to the brand with this car. And quite honestly, the people that have been buying it are many people that probably wouldn't have looked at Volvo if we hadn't had a vehicle in this segment. So it's a younger buyer. So we took some, as you can tell from the exterior of the car, which is very edgy and very not like what we normally do, we put some of that into the interior as well. I think the carpet is definitely that expressive design element. Sure.
Now that the new V60 and S60 are coming out, and I know that on the horizon is the new XC60 as well, that kind of makes it where the whole product line has been updated, if you will, to the sort of the modern Volvo that we certainly love. What's next for Volvo beyond that? I'm sure you guys are already looking to the future and what's next.
Yeah, so in 2015 when we came out with the XC90, we told the retailers at that time that by the end of 2018, that car would be the oldest car in our portfolio, and that is the case now. We have redone all of our vehicle lines, both crossovers and sedans and wagons, and so we are now complete. Now starts the next version of redoing these cars and doing mid-cycle enhancements. So I believe the next car on the horizon is going to be a mid-cycle enhancement to the XC90.
Sure.
We're going to build that vehicle in our new manufacturing facility in Charleston, South Carolina, and I believe that production will start within the next couple of years. So I think that's the next thing on the horizon.
Very cool. I know that another innovation that came out with the XC40 is the subscription-based ownership model. Can you talk a little bit about that? Has there been good engagement with that? Have you guys seen some use with that?
Yeah, it's been so far Care by Volvo is our subscription-based platform. It's been very, very good. We really sold out of it pretty quickly with the XC40. The vehicle being as hot as it was, it certainly helped with that. But quite honestly, the people that are coming and choosing to buy in that manner are people that we've never engaged with before. So something like 90% of these people are new to the brand, never considered Volvo before. So it's clearly reaching a market of consumers that maybe want to buy a car a different way. And so we do have our retailers are involved in the process after the initial order is placed. The cars are delivered through the retailers, but it's been a real good program for us. We're putting the finishing touches on Care by Volvo 2.0, which we're going to be launching in the coming months with the new S60.
Sure.
So we believe it's a piece of the overall retail puzzle. It's not going to take the place of what we traditionally do, but it's just another alternative for somebody that maybe wants to buy a car in not the conventional way.
Sure. Now I know safety has always been a major brand concern for Volvo, and they've been at the forefront of it as long as I can remember, as long as I've been around the business. And I know that there's been some incredible recent improvements, and Volvo has made a commitment to safety. What can you tell us about the sort of vision moving forward for safety for Volvo?
Well, our vision is that by 2020 that nobody will be killed or injured while driving, or seriously injured while driving a Volvo. And so we've put a lot of technology into these recent product launches to help make that possible, both for passive and active safety systems, right up into including our autonomous driving system that is now available on all of our cars. So we continue to try to be on the forefront of that and put new technology into all of our vehicles when they come out, and quite honestly make a lot of those features standard on the vehicles as well. So it is one of our core pillars of our corporation, and we intend to keep advancing that and towards that goal of no one being killed or injured in a car.
So you guys feel pretty confident that you're on track for that vision for 2020?
We are working towards that. It is a very bold goal, and we will continue to work towards that. And I think so far we are a lot of these safety systems that we've put in the cars have really helped get us closer to that objective.
Sure. Well, without further ado, we've got the award here for SUV and crossover of the year for the 2019 Volvo XC40.
Awesome. Great. Thank you, Jason.
Yeah.
Appreciate it.